Hey guys, it's Oberstadt. So today I got my Jeffree Star order in. I ordered it the day that the Blue Blood palette launched, and I am wearing two different looks. Actually, the first look I did was using some of the more neutral shades in here, and then the other one I went kind of like bold and crazy, and I'm only wearing one false lash. So anyways, I will be posting these at different times, and I will be speeding them up and doing a voiceover for them. But yeah, so these are the first two looks that I've created with this palette. I did do a swatch video, and the blue shade Ocean Ice does stain rather badly, and I have washed my arm multiple times since I did the swatches. Entitled also stains, but not nearly as bad as Ocean Ice. So starting out this look, I'm going to be using the shade Power, and I am using a dome top synthetic brush from the BH Cosmetics Gold Brush Collection. And I did like wing that out, and then I carved out my crease with it all the way up to the bridge of my nose. And then I got a more fine like pencil brush to drag that wing out a little bit more. I had no problems working with the shadow. It blended out easily, it built up nice, and it was the shade that I expected it to be in the pan. I then take my Makeup Revolution in C2 concealer, and I put this on my lid. Now I am 38 years old, I'll be 39 this year, and if you can see, I'm having some difficulty with my eyelid moving and causing creases. So if you have that, sometimes making your eyelid a little bit more taut before you try this step helps. I then went in with Ocean Ice, and if I were to redo this look, I would switch this step with the next step where I use Blue Monday in between Power and the Ocean Ice. I would have put Blue Monday down first and then cut out the actual mobile lid part and then put the Ocean Ice over that. The other thing that I noticed, because I made sure not to do my face makeup first, and I ended up smearing Ocean Ice, so that's why I'm going back in with concealer again, is everywhere the little piece of glitter falls, there is a blue streak that comes with it. So even if you wipe the glitter off, the blue stays behind, and it does stain severely. So then I'm taking an angled brush from the BH Cosmetics Gold line and carving out the Blue Monday look. Like I said, I would have switched this and put this down first and then put the Ocean Ice over it. And I'm using a little dome synthetic brush. And I ended up, when I did the outer edge and winged it out just a little bit with the Blue Monday shade, I ended up getting that little angled brush damp with water to make it a little bit more bold and vibrant. I noticed that it went on my lid a little bit patchy, and even when I went back over it with that flat shader brush, I had problems with it being opaque like I wanted it to. And now I'm just going back over with the shade Power to bring that wing a little bit more dramatic, and I'm bringing the gray more onto the bridge of my nose because I want that gray to be seen. I wanted this very, very bold and very dramatic. Now I'm going to take Cullinan, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone and my inner corner. And then for the lower lash, I take Power again, and I go the entire length of my lower lash line. And then I take Blue Monday right up against my lashes using the edge of the shader brush. And I had a blob of mascara where it didn't need to be. But as of right now, this is the finishing touches in the look. I will be including pictures here in just a minute so you can see what those look like with it inside and outside. And I noticed that the Ocean Ice did transfer when I opened my eyelid, but I have hooded eyes, so I was expecting that anyways. So hopefully you like this look. This is look number 2 using the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. Now these pictures I do take indoors. These are inside my bathroom using my ring light. Some of them, the flash went off on the camera because I had taken the microphone off of it, so the flash popped open a couple of times, so that's why the pictures look a little brighter. And I didn't realize until after like 2 hours the outside corner of my lash, when I got outside, ended up like coming off of my eye. When in these pictures it's fine, but taking pictures like outside in the yard or on the roof, I noticed that the lash had like pulled up a little bit. So I don't know if it was the wind that got it or what. Also, if you look at the center of my lid, you can see where the Blue Monday shade was a little bit sparse, and I went over it several times, and it just, I think that navy blue, royal blue shade, whichever you prefer to call it, needs to be either seriously packed on or used wet. And outside you can see just how dark these look in natural lighting. And some of these again are with the flash from the camera, and there's one without, so that you can see the difference in just how they show up. I am not wearing any foundation, just corrector and concealer, blush, bronzer, highlight, and the eye makeup. And I am wearing Celebrity Skin on my lips. So hopefully you like it. Leave me a comment. This is the Celebrity Skin on with the first two makeup looks. Go, oh my god. So I really like going bold and dramatic. My blush is much brighter and more pronounced, and the highlight, I got it wet to apply it. So this side of my face is definitely more dramatic. I guess you could say today I'm being a little two-faced. Your nighttime look, which, you know, you go out and you get your cute little outfit on and you go out to a party or a dance club and you have fun with your friends. So it's like completely night and day on my face. So hopefully you enjoy this like try on and review, I guess first impression review of Jeffree. And make sure to check out my Instagram, which is osp.fl, to see some of the other looks that I do and post. I will leave everything's linked down below. Everything on my face will be linked down below as well. So hopefully you guys enjoy. I will see you in another video very soon. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know whether you like this side, which this is my right hand side, or this side, which is my left hand side, and which side you like better. And if you think the lip goes good with both or with neither. So I will see you guys later. Have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye.